2001 Chevy Tahoe, 5.3 liter V8. Still got the factory converter there. Then an aftermarket there. Then it winds into a single. And we did a muffler delete. We put a 3-inch pipe in place of the muffler. Big muffler right there. And we put a Denali tip that's resonated. Give it a nice deep tone right there. Came out really nice. If you guys want the tip, if we can find it, it'll be in the description. There it is. Chevy Tahoe. Decibels. 106. That's not bad. Go ahead and back it up. Chevy Tahoe. Muffler delete and resonated tip, Denali tip.